Hi everyone, here we've got Redmi Note 10 Pro, and let me share with you how to turn on or off the watermark and how to customize it. So first of all, let's enter the camera app, and now since we are in the standard photo mode, we can enter the settings which are in the right upper corner. Now let's tap on the settings, and here as you can see on the very first position we've got the watermark option, so simply tap on it, and here we've got two or three actually different options from which we can choose. First of all, we can decide if we want to add timestamp on photos. So first of all, let's turn it on just by tapping on the switcher, and let's get back to the camera in order to check how it will look like. So let's take a photo. Okay, let's check the preview. And as you can see, obviously we've just made a photo which is only a black, it has black color, but here we've got the watermark we just activated, and we've got the time and the date stamp. So let's get back to the camera and let's check another option. So three bars icon, the settings, watermark. Let me turn off this option and turn on the device watermark. And as you can see here we can right now the custom watermark option is activated, so we can tap on it, and here we can custom our watermark. So here we can enter actually whatever you want to, for example your name, surname, company name, and so on, whatever you want to. So let me enter the HardReset.Info and tap on save. As you can see, it immediately appears right here. So let's go back to the camera and check. Let's take a photo again and check the preview. And as you can see here we've got first of all the watermark which contains the name of our device, and under it we've got our customized watermark. So let's get back, and actually this is it. This is how to turn on the watermark. Obviously you can turn it off just by tapping on this switcher here, and from now on your device will take photos without adding a watermark. So actually that's all. This is how to add, how to remove, and how to manage the watermark in your Redmi Note 10 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.